Hi, I'm Kep Kepner CPA here in Dallas. One of the things that you can do if you're a fairly low income earner is you can apply to Obamacare, state your amount of income, and then be paying a premium based upon your income. And that sounds really good. You can tell them up front, hey, I'm only making $10,000, so you're going to get Obamacare and it'll be priced really cheaply to you. Now what happens if instead you don't earn $10,000, you earn $70,000? Then you're going to get a bill from the government for the credits that you took when you said you were only going to make $10,000. And you're going to get a penalty more than likely for substantially underreporting your tax. I have a client that had a business and she said that she was going to make $10,000 a year. She is an owner in a family business that's organized as a partnership, and that partnership sold some real estate, and her share of the gain was $60,000. So here's a case where, yes, day to day, every month, she was earning an equivalent of $10,000 a year, and her premiums were based on that. But she had this income on a K-1 from a family investment that threw her into a higher tax bracket, so she had to come back and pay Uncle Sam the coverage that it would have been for her health insurance had she been making $80,000 a year, not $10,000, and she had to pay penalties because she underpaid. So you really need to be careful. I had a client call me and say, hey Kep, I'm going to tell Obamacare that I'm going to make $30,000 a year, and I want you to help me make sure that that's all I make. Well, I'm going to try that, but he's got a lot of control over that. We can look at his financials before the end of the year, and if he's made more money, then we can develop tax strategies to lower his taxable income. If he is losing money, he's going to be okay. He'll be under that $30,000 salary that he's pulling from his business. So that's a strategy. We're having to watch it. We may or may not be successful because, quite frankly, he's better off if instead of making just a break even on his business after a $30,000 salary, he'd be better off if he made $100,000, even though he's got to pay a higher premium for his Obamacare. So if you need help with understanding this issue, give us a call because we can help you. Thanks.